السلام عليكم طلابي، نزهة معكم. In this video, we are going to continue to learn some more Arabic letters. جاهزين؟ يلا. The first letter here does not have an equivalent in English. We write it sometimes as vowels, like A, E, I, O, U. In some books, it's written like the symbol here, an upside down apostrophe, or you might find it as number 3. For this class, we are going to agree on writing it as number 3. The name of this letter is ghayn. Ghayn. Repeat after me. Ghayn. The sound of this letter is like English vowels while tightening your throat, or also like someone is choking you, so it's sound. Repeat after me. Try again. And as an example, عنب. عنب. Again, عنب. And that means grapes. The next letter here has the exact same shape as the ghayn, but it has one dot above. And this letter also does not have an equivalent in English. We usually agree on writing it as GH. The name of this letter is ghayn. Ghayn. Even though it doesn't have an equivalent, but English speakers make that sound while gargling. So it's a sound. And it's similar to the Parisian French R. And I say Parisian French R because the French R is pronounced two different ways. It could be pronounced also like an R, the Spanish R. And in Paris, it's pronounced as an R, an R, R. As an example, we have here the word gaz. Gaz. Repeat after me. Gaz. Right, and that means gas. The next letter here is an easy one because we have an equivalent in English, and it's just an F. The name of it is fa, and the sound is f, just like an F in English. As an example, I have here fil, and that means pepper. Fil, pepper. The last one is also a letter that does not have an equivalent in English. We are going to write it as a Q. And the name of it is qaaf. Qaaf. The sound is like a Q, but pronounced in the back of the mouth. So let's try it. Qa, qa, qa. So it's like a K or a Q, but really in the back of the mouth. Qa, qa. And the name is qaaf. Qaaf. As an example, I chose qirfa, 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 and that means cinnamon. I hope you enjoyed this class and see you in the next video where we're gonna have a تمرين. مع السلامة.